Elementor is offering their own hosting to host your WordPress website. You may like to use other popular hosting company like Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator or any others. But in case of Elementor website, many times we face different kind of issues, problems or errors. And when you talk to our hosting support about the Elementor website issues or something, in many cases they can't provide the perfect solution. That's why Elementor has started their own hosting solution. Basically, they are providing a complete solution for any Elementor website. So your Elementor website will be more fast, more secure, and completely error-free. And the most amazing part, with this hosting package, we will also can access all pro feature of Elementor. So basically, they are offering a hosting and also Elementor Pro all together. If I visit their website, from here we can see their Elementor Cloud hosting. This is based on the Google Cloud platform, and also we will get CDN service by Cloudflare, and if we have our own custom domain, we can connect that domain to this hosting. Also, we can manage our team from their hosting panel, and with this hosting we will get 20 GB storage. That's huge. Also, this is capable for 100 GB bandwidth and 100K monthly visitors. Finally, we will get a completely high secured website. For that, we will get a free SSL certificate. They have a daily backup system. We can also take manual backup anytime, and also they have a site lock protection system. So we can also lock our web page or website with a specific passcode. So including all these features, we have to pay only $99 per year, and this is fixed for each year. Including this price, we will also get the Elementor Pro feature. So we need not to pay any extra money for Elementor Pro version. This will also include the Elementor Pro and also the hosting cost. Alright, now I'm going ahead, click on Buy Now. And now from here we have to fill this form with our own information, and finally we have to pay this amount. So here the first step, we have to create an account, or if you have already any free account or paid account with Elementor, you can also use that one. So I have already an account with my email. I'm going with the sign in option, and here I'm going with my email and also the password. Sign in. Here is a verification. Alright, now I have to fill this up with the billing information. I'm going ahead. These are optionals, but you can also fill this up. Go to continue, and finally we have to fill this with our credit card information or PayPal information, and finally click on Pay Now. I'm going ahead. Alright, I'm done, and now we have successfully purchased our Elementor Cloud hosting. And from here we will find two options. One is Go to Account and another is Start Creating Website. So we can also directly start creating our WordPress website from here step by step. Or if I check this Go to Account, so this is our hosting panel. From here we will find all the possible options which we can get from our cloud hosting. And also this is another one, Start Creating Your Website. If I go step by step, and here they are taking some basic information for our website, and they will also install a WordPress and some basic setups for our website. So this is my website name. For example, this time I'm typing portfolio website or business website, so you can type your business name. I'm typing site name portfolio and next, and website domain name. So this is creating something custom name, or instead of this we can add our own name or anything. And later if I like to use any custom domain name to link with this hosting, we can also do that. For now I'm going with this custom domain name and going to next. And what kind of website we are going to create, so here we can select any one, portfolio, blog, online store or business, or we can skip this step. For now I'm just selecting the first one, and from here they are suggesting some pre-made layout. So we can select any one from here. These are specific for portfolio category. Or if we clear the filter, we can see all the design or structure. So we can select any pre-made layout. For now, if I go with the portfolio again, I'm selecting the portfolio. So from here, for example, if I going to check this one, so if I click on what's inside, we can see the preview of this design. We can see the responsive view also. So this layout is also ready for all devices. We can start with any layout and then we can customize it with our own content. We can check the preview from here. So the similar way we can check all the layout and we can select any one, and I'm going with the start with this kit. So it's going to import the whole website including all pages. It's taking some moment. Or if you like to start the design with your own design or custom way, you can skip these steps and you can start with your own design. Alright, we are done, and finally our site is ready, and click on let's go. It's going to our hosting panel again and click on got it, and from here we can access to our WP dashboard. We can visit our website and also we can open our site with the Elementor builder. Alright, I'm going with the open WP dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard already installed, and now if I go to visit site, so you can see our website is completely ready. So this is now completely ready with all the dummy content. Now we just need to add our own content, own color and own images. In the same way, we can install any template or any layout which we like, and then we can add our own content. And at the beginning, our site is now locked, so if anyone visit our website, they can't access or can't see the real website. For example, if I copy the link and open in a private mode, so you can see now our site is now hidden, and if you want to show the website to a specific clients or a specific user, you can send them to a pin code and they can access it. For example, if from the hosting panel, if I go to manage this website and if I scroll down, here is a site lock options and here is a pin code. We can check it from here or you can copy it, and now from the private, if I paste it and click on continue, so now we can see our website is visible, and we can make it off when our site is completely ready to go. We can do it from here. For now this is on, or we can make it off. And also when we go to make any changes to our hosting or settings, they are showing we need to verify our email. So they sent some emails to my email. If I check my email also, here we see I have got several email. This is the first email for purchasing Elementor Cloud website, and this is auto renew has been turned off. So auto renew by default turned off. If we want to make it on, so from the hosting panel, if I check the subscriptions and if I go to the billing info, and here on the right side top, here is a 3 dot icons. If I click here, we can see the auto renewal is off. So if we want to make it on from here, we can make it on, and we have to add our credit card info again. So it will be automatically auto renewed after 1 year. So if you don't want to lose your website, you can enable it, so it will be renewed automatically. Or you can also manually pay your bill after 1 year. And then if I check others email, these are for new website installation. Alright, so again I'm going to websites and going to manage these websites, and here we will find some more options. Like here is the connect my domain. So if you want to add your own domain with this hosting, you can go with these steps. For now I'm just leaving with the custom subdomain, this one. And then here is the site lock options. I already showed this feature. And then here is the backups. By default, it will take one backup each day, and we can set a specific time, or we can take any manual backup anytime from here. And also, if we need to check any troubleshooting issue or any debugging issue, we can make it on from these options. And also, here is the site lock options. If I go here, so we also need to verify our email. I did not get the verification email, so I have to click on recent email. And if I check my email, so here is the email for verification. Click on confirm your email, and now it's verifying. Going to my account again going to manage this website, and now our email is verified. And now if I click here, we can see it's not showing anymore to verify your email. So when we're ready with our website, we can make it unlock. For now, I'm just leaving it. We still need to work with our website with our own content. And here, if we need any kind of help anytime, they have a live chat options, so we can get their instant support if we face any kind of problem to our website. And also from the dashboard, we can also access this support. So from the WordPress dashboard, we can also get this Elementor support options. That's really cool. And also from the Elementor hosting panel, we will find some more options, like here is the subscription, here is only billing information, so we can check all this if we need. Then here is the team. We can add up to 10 team members to manage our website from this panel. And also the FAQ and support. So here they're providing some tutorials about Elementor website, and also they have another community on Facebook. You can join on this group and you will get different kind of helpful tips. And here is the support center. So they have a separate panel for their support. We can check that. And also the community. This is the same thing, the Facebook group link. And finally, they have a hire an expert option. This is a different community or different marketplace. So if I go there, so we can connect our account with Elementor Expert. Click on continue. So this is a different marketplace for Elementor experts. If you need any help with working with Elementor and who is expert, you can hire any developer from here. Or you can also create your own profile as an expert. Alright, I'm crossing it. And now again going to our WordPress dashboard. I'm crossing all these hosting panel area. And now going to our website. So here I want to add our own content. For example, for the very first page, this is our home page, I want to change the text to our own text. So for that, if I hover over on top, here is the edit with Elementor, and if I click here directly, just click here, open with the new tab. And now from here we can change the text and content for this home page. For example, here I am changing the text. I'm typing Farjana Rashid, and also changing the text from below. Alright, so we can see how easily we can change or edit our content or text using Elementor. And also here is image. So if you want to change any image in the same way, click on here, and here is the choose image, and you can upload your own image from the media library. In this tutorial, I'm not going through all the details how we can create or how we can customize our website using Elementor Builder. So if you don't know how you can customize or how to build any custom page design or how to add your own content with Elementor, you can check my other videos. So here I have created tons of videos how you can customize or how you can create any website by using Elementor. Also, if you check the playlist, So here you will find many more tutorials about Elementor Pro or Elementor design or the complete website development using Elementor. So you can check all this and you will learn more about Elementor Builder. Alright, now I'm going back to this website, and here after making any changes, make sure click on this save button. Again, I'm going back, I'm crossing all this, and here if we check from the top, we see here is already created a custom footer, custom header and menu pop-up. So if we click on this menu icon, here is a custom pop-up. It's showing as our menu area, and if we want to customize it, simply click on the menu pop-up from top. I'm opening in a new tab, and from here we can simply customize all this content with our own content. And in the same way, here is the footer and header, then site settings and theme builder. If I check the site settings also, here is the global parts. So here they are providing also some custom layout for global parts, like here is the 404 page design. We can also customize it. Here is the post archive page, here is the single project page, footer, header and single blog post page. So these all are providing with this template design. And also if I check site settings, these are redirecting to the global settings of Elementor Builder. And finally, if we want to change the global settings, like here is the logo and also the favicon icon. So for that we have to go to the customize option. If I open the customize and go to site identity, so here we can add our own logo, and here is the site title, tagline and also the site icon. We can change it. For now it's showing here. Also the menu, so we can add our own menu instead of this. Then homepage settings, by default it's showing the home page as default page. We can change it to any one. And also the header and footer, so we don't need these options for now because we are using the custom header and footer from the Elementor Builder. Alright, I'm crossing it. And in the same way, they have some other pages. If I go to dashboard and if I go to pages, we can see here is creating 4 pages: home, about, contact and projects. So if I check another one, about, go to view page. So all necessary inner pages already created with our design. We just need to add our own text and own images. In the same way for contact and project page. And for each of the item or each of the project, if I click, so here is also showing the single page for projects. And these projects are basically coming from the post list. So if I go to post, so in the top of this, here is showing some post. This is basically our projects. If we see the category name, so this is showing the project categories, and also here is showing some blog post in below. If I check any of the blog page, so you can see it's showing like this. And by the way, if we want to change any design for this blog post page or single project page, we can do that. Go to templates and theme builder, and from here if we want to edit our single project or single post, simply click on here. Here is the green button, so this is enabled. And here if we want to edit this, click on this edit text, and from here we can customize our page design for single project. Alright, going back, Alright, so when we will done with all the changes with our website, with our own content and design, click on the site lock mode is on and change these settings. And it's redirecting to the hosting panel. Site lock, click on and making it to unlock site. And we are done. Going to refresh our site and our site is now in live. Alright, that's all for today. In this tutorial, I'm trying to show you how you can create any kind of WordPress website using Elementor and Elementor Cloud. Here, this is basically a kind of portfolio website, but following the same process, you can create any kind of website. If you like to see this kind of valuable tutorial more, give this video a big thumbs up, otherwise you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.